What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have an update on Superfarm, also known as Superverse, whichever one, but the whole point is that it has gone up over 22% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just over 15 cents guys. So we're going to be looking through how high can this crypto go over the next couple of hours, days and so on. As you guys can see, over the last week it has pumped up 40% and over the month over 100%, which is absolutely insane. So is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to essentially hit 20-25 cents over the coming days or weeks? And also looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Or on the other hand, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? Or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially heading to around the dollar mark in 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So for those of you guys who are confused between Superverse and Superfarm, here is the explanation. Superfarm has rebranded to Superverse, so Superverse is its new name, the rebranded name. So on the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Superfarm, which is here in purple at 11 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at over 15 cents, nearly hitting 16 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Superfarm over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting this crypto to be heading around 17 cents is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, doesn't mean it's gonna keep pumping in value. It is expected to hit red candles in between, but again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. Hitting around 17 cents by midday tomorrow is what I'm expecting. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking bullish, still looking positive guys, meaning more gains in value are expected over the next week or so. So let's say towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Superfarm to be heading over 20 cents, potentially heading to around 21 to 22 cents towards the end of this week, and early next week is what I'm expecting. But of course, in between that time, I am also expecting it to hit red days as well. So do expect red and green days up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, just like how it's been performing over the last week. As you guys can see, it's pumped up, it's had its dips in between, but overall it has been moving towards a positive direction, and I'm expecting it to go through a similar pattern over the next week or so as well, heading towards a positive direction with red days in between. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, in this case guys, the orange line and the blue line are looking very bullish, going in a positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep as well, as you guys can see here, meaning it's not realistic. Only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of weeks. The graph thinks is going to keep going at that pace and keep pumping over the next 6 to 8 weeks. However, that's not what I'm expecting. In fact, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so late December, early January 2024, I am expecting Superfarm to have gone for an overall increase in value, but nothing too crazy, potentially hitting about 35 cents approximately in early January is what I'm expecting from Superfarm. But again, that is only because I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $42,000 in early January, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market overall, which of course includes Superfarm or Superverse, which should potentially hit around 35 cents, potentially 37-38 cents by mid to late January as well. But if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated about 3 to 4 times a week on this crypto, just to keep you guys updated and keep you guys in the loop on what my predictions and my takes are on this crypto. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the lower part of the red zone, so we've got quite a long way to head up to the resistance target here, which is 56 cents, which I'm not expecting Superfarm to hit anytime soon. Potentially mid next year is when I'm expecting the crypto to be heading up to the resistance target here and potentially breaking out into the green zone, heading over 55 cents by mid next year is what I'm expecting. But for now, we are going to be stuck in the red zone, but that doesn't matter as long as we can slowly and steadily gain value going in a positive direction for the rest of the year and early next year as well. We should be good to go. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over, let's have a look here, over nearly 400%, making it $23 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading volume. It is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. According to Binance, it is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours. So it is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers point of view. We're seeing a lot of people buying it, as it has been pumping quite consistently over the last week and month as well. But it's also getting a lot of attention from the seller's point of view, taking out the profits and selling the crypto. So now time to say, would I buy the crypto or would I sell it? I would definitely not buy the crypto right now, as it is overvalued. The maximum price I would buy this crypto at is anywhere below 0.075 cents is where I would buy the crypto. Anywhere above that, I would ignore it. I wouldn't even invest into it. Now, for the seller's point of view, would I sell it right now? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't sell all of it. That is a clever strategy that you guys can use when it comes to crypto, especially in these times when, for example, if I had $1,000 invested into the crypto, I would sell about 35 to 40%, so $350 to $400 worth is what I would sell. I would only sell if I was on a profit, by the way. If I was on a loss, I would never sell it. I would still hold on to it for the long term, but if I'm on a profit, I would sell about 40%, meaning I've taken out some profit, but I still got 60% of my investment still in Superfarm, meaning I still got some investment and I've also taken out profit, and I would probably keep on until next year or the year after, see how the crypto market performs and keep holding on to it for the long term. And yeah, that is a strategy that I use, and it's been working fine for me so far because it works both ways. You still got investment and you've also sold it, so it's a win-win situation from both sides. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Superverse, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest figure you guys are predicting this crypto to hit in 2023? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.